Hello, today we are going to do some simple watercolor play, and all you need is a piece of watercolor paper. This is 300 grams watercolor paper, which means it's thick and it will not wrinkle. You need some water, a brush, a piece of sponge or paper towel to help you control the amount of water in your brush, and I have here some watercolors. Okay, so I'm going to use a plate and squeeze out some of my watercolor. Just a little bit will do. I'm using blue. This is intense blue. This is permanent rose. A little bit of watercolor goes a long way, so you don't have to squeeze out a lot. The last color I'm using is a lemon yellow. So these are three primary colors with which we can use to mix all kinds of different colors. So there's our watercolor. Put that aside. And what you want to do in the beginning is to take your brush, get out some water. Can you see there's a good amount of, yeah, there you go. See a good amount of water on the brush. And just make some dots of water. Some random dots of water, lots of water, big drop, so that it's really wet, because if your paper is not wet, the paint doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so putting in randomly, just put these dots of water. Okay, big ones, small ones. And if you look against the light, can you see that paper is wet? Okay, and then with your brush still wet, you want to dip your brush into one color. Let's take a bit of that color and pop it into some of those dots that you have made. If you can see it, yeah, there you go, see? Alright, and when I want to change color, I give my brush a good wash and go into the next color. Take a bit of that color. You can drop it into the other color and watch the two colors mix together. You can move your paper around, watch how the paint moves. Change to a yellow now. Give your brush a good rinse with the moist brush. Dip a little bit into your color. drop your new color into your old color and watch what color is the result. Now the trick here is not to mix too much. See, watch how the new color goes into the existing color and the paints merge together and form a new color. Give your brush a good rinse. You might want to drop in more color. Don't mix too much, okay? Because you don't want to get all the colors all mixed up. Keep them separate. You might want to take some water and maybe join some of them together. Watch how the color flows from one puddle to the other. And then you let everything dry.